How to fix your iPhone stuck to restore or recover method. So let's get started. Firstly, at times your iPhone may decline restoration simply due to the use of a damaged or malfunctioning cable. Employing non-Apple or uncertified cables can result in the refusal of the restoration process by your iPhone. Hence, if you find yourself utilizing a cable lacking Apple certification, it is advisable to make a prompt switch. Consider utilizing the authenticate cable or experimenting with a certified cable endorsed by Apple. This approach ensures a seamless restoration process for your iPhone, eliminating any potential disruptions. Now, secondly, force restart iPhone. When an iPhone gets stuck in recovery mode and won't restore, a forced restart can often serve as a helpful solution. To perform a forced restart, the method varies depending on your iPhone model. For the iPhone 12 series and newer, quickly press and release the volume up and down buttons, followed by holding down the side button until the Apple logo appears. Now, for earlier models like iPhone X and 8, the process involves holding down the volume down or home button and the side button. A forced restart essentially interrupts the ongoing recovery mode and initiates a fresh reboot, offering a chance to break free from the issue. So now, if the issue persists, try downloading Alt Phone iOS System Repair from official website. Connect your iPhone, iPad or iPad Touch to your computer and open it. Choose the Exit Recovery Mode option from the main interface, then click on the Exit button and wait for 10 seconds or so. After a brief wait, your iPhone, iPad or iPod will automatically reboot, exiting the recovery mode successfully. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.